Well, meditation is paying attention to not only your inner self, but to the sounds and stimulation, the sensory perceptions around you, and being able to just be aware of them. So today I'm at a park, and if you can find a place outside to join me in a meditation, that would be great. If not, be comfortable wherever you are, and begin by taking some breaths in, deep breaths, and pay attention to those breaths. And when you breathe in, hold for 4 seconds, and then breathe out for about 6 seconds, and then hold for 4 again. And then repeat this cycle a few times. And do it one more time. Just pay attention to your breath. And the reason why we do this is to slow down our entire cardiovascular system, slow down our breathing, and it's a good gateway to begin inner quiet. And you'll notice I say pay attention to things. These are simply pointers. Pay attention to your breath as opposed to focus. Focus is more so kind of work. So meditation is not about work. Meditation is the practice of paying attention, being aware, and perhaps you're outside in the garden. If you are, that's wonderful, because you can pick something, for example, like a tree, and just be aware and observe it without naming it. That's the key with meditation. If you're looking around, you don't need to label things like that's a tree, that's a rock, that's the grass. Just observe it and take it in as you're looking around. So take a few moments to do that. And if you get lost in thought, things come up in your mind, give those thoughts the space and energy that they need to be present. But step back and be aware of those thoughts and see where they're coming from. Allow them to dissolve and to go back where they originated from, or just dissolve for that matter. And this is important to do because it allows thoughts the space they need to surface. And it also helps bring awareness to where those thoughts may be coming from. At the same time, you realize that you are not your thoughts. Pick something around you and take a look at it. Maybe it's a chair, a tree, a flower, and just look at it and observe it. Make no commentary on it as, oh, that's interesting, or, oh, that's an interesting color, or just observe it, just take it in. Okay, that's it for today's meditation. It's for beginners. Obviously, if you've done this before, then you may find this exercise not as interesting, but that's beyond the point. The whole purpose of this is to quiet your mind, slow it down, and pay attention to the things around you. Be well.